Part 2, rated SPG. Strict ng patnubay at gabay ng mga magkulang ang kailangan. Dahil may masisilang lingwahe, pangutok kung ay buot, at mga makakatawang formula nito. Ang pagpapatuloy ng Ugabang's Law. Ang law of division. For example, 25 divided by 5. Panoorin nyo ito. 2 divided by 5 cannot be. So, answer 0. And since this 2 is cannot be to 5, so we move to the second number, 5. So the second number is 5. Then 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Then 1 times 5 equals 5. Then we have to subtract this. 25 minus 5 equals 20. Then divide this by 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Then 4 times 5 equals 20. Then 20 subtract by 20 equals 0. Then the answer is 14. So, repeat. Ugabang's Law. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, paalam.